All right, great, great. So Neha, so let me tell you a little bit about Neha. Neha joined in December, right, Neha?
Yes.
Yes, and the first time when we were speaking in the during this weekly call, Neha told me, Ruma, I'm trying so many things, nothing is working. And today Neha's story is very different. So Neha, all yours. Please tell us what has been working, and I love your look today, Neha.
Thank you so much, Ruma. Thank you so much. Well, when I started off, I was following, I started looking at all the videos, listening to everything that Ruma was telling and trying to follow everything about it. I made certain mistakes. I would, miss out on some information that she gave away in the videos. And therefore, I made it a point to revisit the videos so that I don't miss out on any single thing that she has told. Because I believe in surrendering. You need to surrender to the person instead of, judging that person. So that is what I wanted to do, and I did it. And I realized when I talked to Ruma, I was taking in the morning breakfast, I used to have oats and along with milk. So milk was something that was working against me, not helping me to lose any weight, which I stopped on Ruma's advice, and it helped. It started working, and thereafter the things started changing. My body started supporting, it started responding, rather, I would say. So I started losing weight, and I guess in the next month I lost almost, 3.5 kgs. Yeah, 3.5 kgs. So far going good, but I guess because I am in the post menopause period, so my body takes some time to respond. It comes to a plateau, it becomes rigid, then again I need to do something. And that is wherein, Ruma suggested me to join the accelerator program, which I did. And it is giving me the result. I'm trying to follow everything that she tells me, because she literally haunts me in my dreams. That's what I tell her.
Ayo! So it's a
Because
loving relationship, isn't it? You are not dreaming about your husband, you're dreaming about me.
no one else. And especially the day I have my one-on-one meeting with her, I would literally dream of her, telling me, Neha, do this, do not do this. Because I listen to her videos so very often, even when I'm taking my evening walks or morning walk, I'm listening. I put in the hands free and I listen to her. So it always happens like that. More you listen to somebody, that is what God goes into your subconscious mind. And so that is what I dream.
Absolutely.
So so that's what is happening. And I would want to mention one more thing, that it would not have been possible without Ruma's advice. She's been putting things into such simple words that it becomes very easy for a layman to understand how and what and in what manner the things need to be done. It helped me to understand my body in a better way. And one more thing that has helped me always throughout my life has been unconditional support from my husband in whatever I do, whether it's my career, it's my health, any goal that I take up. He's there to support me. He would be there to remind me, Tumne pulses so kiya kya? Neha, we are running out of vegetable for salad. You need to bring it today, huh? He would be reminding me and things like that. So it's been very, very beautiful journey. I'm enjoying every part of it. The weekly calls, watching the videos, doing exercise. I never knew that I would love doing exercise like this. The way she's been telling, every day there is a new exercise. something new, so it's giving a shock to my body, and my body comes back, so I'm enjoying it. Thank you so much, Ruma. Thank you so much.
Amazing, Neha. No, thanks to you. And also wanted to bring out another flavor of Neha is Neha is a working woman, right?
Ah,
Many of
yes.
oftentimes we feel that, I'm working, I have so many responsibility, I'll not be able to do. But the things are done in such a simplified manner. And I'll also tell you a little bit about myself. I come from a working background. I'm a working woman. I've been in corporate for the last, before I moved into taking health and fitness as a career, I was a corporate woman. And yet I did all of these things. And I understand the challenges that women go through, working women go through, right? They have family to manage, they have office to manage. And between all of this, we have to, one second, yeah. And between all of this, we have to bring everything together and still manage our health. Because if health goes down, nothing will work for us, right? When the family is down, they have fever, they are looking at us for taking care of them. When
Absolutely.
something goes wrong in the office, they are looking at us for taking care of them. So we have to, we have to take care of our teams, we have to take care of our family, we have to take care of ourselves. So we cannot do that unless we take care of ourselves. And that is when I realized that for women it has to be very simple. Small instructions that they can implement on a regular life without deviating too much from what they are doing, and it should not take a load on their time as well. And as a result of which, the Women's Health Mastery has been built in very small capsule. And Neha is a living example of that. She was able to do that, being a working woman and having home responsibility, office responsibility. If Neha can do it, you can do it too.